Today what we will see is we will try to develop one small application, guys. We will try to develop one small application. Later we will discuss on this. Now, my first demo on this module pool is my first demo on the guys. Anyone any doubts still here? Anyone any doubts? Okay. Now what I will do is I will create one screen, Nana. I will create one screen like this. I will create one screen like this. In this, I will give customer number. In this, I will give customer number, name. Okay, some fields from KNA1, guys. See, for some fields from KNA1, KNA1, guys. Some KNA1 we have so many fields. No, in the KNA1 screen, I will take some fields, guys. Some 4 or 5 fields. Here I will put some buttons, guys. Here I will put some buttons. One is clear, one is back. See, this one is clear, Nana. I'll say one more is enter. One more enter. Something enter or something. One button I will put like this. See, this is clear. If I click on clear, whatever data is there, it should vanish. If I click on this button, fetch. I will give customer number, one number. If I click on fetch, automatically some name, all the details from the table it has to fetch. This one is exit. Exciting, exit. This is my first application, guys. This is my first application. See, what is my requirement is this is my customer number, Nana. This is my customer number. For this customer number, I will give like this 100004 or something. If I give some customer number like this, and if I click on fetch, what should happen is I should get filled with name, remaining fields, name, age, something, postal code, okay, and what we say, city, all these details. It has to fill automatically from, it has to fetch data from KNA1 table. Means it has to go to KNA1 table. It has to fetch all the details from KNA1, guys. If I click on fetch, if I click on clear, all these details should go cleared. All these details should clear, guys. If I click on exit, this application should come out, guys. We need to come out of this application. Anyone any doubts in the requirement? First requirement. Anyone any doubts in the requirement, Nana? Anyone any doubts in the requirement? Hello.
Agnish, can you repeat?
Which one requirement you want me to repeat?
Yes.
Okay, fine. And okay, I will do that. Anyone any doubts? Any other doubts? Okay. See. Now what I am going to do is I am going to design one screen, Nana. First one is I am going to design one screen like this. I will mark it as 500, screen 500. I am designing one screen. In that screen, no, I am going to take some fields from KNA1 table. Some fields from KNA1 table. Like we have so many fields in the KNA1 table. In that KNA1 table, I will take only some 5 or 6 fields from KNA1 table. Here I will create 3 buttons, push buttons. These are push buttons, Nana. These are push buttons. Okay, these are push buttons. For these 3 push buttons, I will use 3 names. One is clear, one is fetch, one is exit. If I give some order number like this, if I give some customer number 004, guys, 1004. After giving customer number, if I click on fetch, automatically it has to fill the name, city, all these details. If I click on clear button, whatever the details we have entered here, it should get clear, guys. If I click on exit, it has to come out of this application. It has to come out of that application. Is it clear now? Narayana?
Yes, Agnish. Agnish, but when you're keying in the customer number, don't you think all these details will pop up, will be fetched automatically?
No, we have to give some action, right? We have to give some
Okay,
action. So that is
fine.
the reason after giving customer number, we have to click on this button. How system will knows you have entered and you are waiting. You have to give some response, right?
Okay, that is nothing but when you're entering the customer number, when you instead of giving an enter, you are trying to fetch it with that enter. Right?
Enter not now. After next two, after one next demo, we will discuss about enter. Okay.
Fine, 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 clear.
I don't want to jump directly. Okay, I'll just go slowly.
No,
Okay.
no, because when I saw that number, I think it automatically it's a part of master data, right? That's why I was just thinking.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. See, fine. Anyone, any doubts in the requirement, Nana? Can I write a program? Hello. Okay, fine. Good. Now, what are the steps? Yesterday we have discussed some steps, some three or four steps we have discussed to create a program. Can anyone recall that what we have discussed yesterday? First step. What is the first step, Nana? Step one. Step one. Yesterday I told you how to write a program. Anyone recall? Go to
SC38.
Yeah, excellent. Go to SC38 and
Uh,
select
module
as
programming, module programming, module
module pool
programming.
type. Select type as module pool type. Okay. This is my first step, Nana. Let me go there. Let me do what I said. See, go to SC38. Go to SC38, Nana. Go to SC38. Jet test my first MPP, my first module pool. Oh, already this name is already given. I'll say why I should give jet. I'll give. And now I'll try with the Y, guys. I'll try with the Y. Okay. I will try Y every time I want to give as a jet. We have option Y also, right? I will give Y. Okay. Y. Click on create. Click on create, Nana. See, you give the description. My first MPP program. MPP program. And type, Nana. What is the type? Module pool. Click on this and click on local object. Click on this, click on local object. Like this. Now what we have to do? Just to save, just activate this, just activate and come outside. Just activate, okay. Now you copy this program. Now you copy this program. What is step two, guys? What is the step number two? Go to SC51. Go to SC51 to create a screen, Nana. To create a screen. To create a screen. Let me go to SC51. SC51. Go to SC51. Give the program name here, guys. Give the program name here. Give the screen number. Any screen number 500. Any screen number 500. Click on create. Click on create. Now you type it here. This is my first module pool screen. Orient screen. That's it. Now what you will do, let's go to flow logic, guys. Just to click go to flow logic. Uncomment these two, guys. Uncomment. Just uncomment. You double click on this one. You double click on this module status. Just double click here. Select your main program. Select your main program. Enter. That's it. See, it will go to your main program now. We are currently ABAP is editing. Let me go to change mode, guys. Go to change mode. Yeah. Double click on this. Click on create. Select your main program. Okay. See, this is your main program. Now activate and go back. Again, double click on this user command also. Double click on this user command also. See, do you want to create the module? Yes, I want to create. See, select your main program, Nana. Select your main program and click on enter. Enter. See, this is your main program. This. Now, this first example is here. I will take KNA1 Nana. Table as KNA1. I have to declare some memory here. I am declaring tables memory. I am using complete KNA1 table memory, Nana. I am declaring like this. Tables KNA1. Now just activate this. Just activate. See on the top, guys. On the type, on the top I have declared as tables. On the top I have declared as tables and everything. Now go back. See, go back. We came to here, guys. Now click on flow logic. Now click on flow logic. See, click on this flow logic. Sorry. Click on layout, guys. Click on layout. This button, layout. Now your SAP one layout screen will get open, guys. This is your layout screen. This is your layout screen. See, as per our requirement, if you want, you can drag this one, guys. If you want, you can drag this one. Guys, where you have seen this screen, this type of screen, where you have seen in the recent examples, where you have seen, anyone can recall? Okay, in when we are discussing TMG, you remember when we are discussing TMG, we discussed this. Anyone remember? To hide, create a date, create a time, and all this. Okay, this there we have seen this screen. Okay, this is called module full screen now. As per my requirement, first what I want, Nana, first I want one box. See, this is a box. See, this is a box. See, I'm creating one box, Nana. I am creating one big box, one box like this. Okay, double click on this box. Just double click on the box, and you give like enter customer details. You give some feel good message, Nana. Customer details, some details on the text. See, on the text, Nana, on the text. Now close it. You just close it, and you Control S save, and Control S save. Now this is box, guys. This is a box as per our requirement. See, this is a box. This is a box. Now here we have one button, guys. Here we have in the middle button, this button, Nana, this button. You are able to see this one. We have three buttons in the top. In the top we have three F7, F6, and F2. Click on F6, guys, middle button. Click on F6, this button. See, it will open. If you click on that button, no, you will get one pop-up. You click on KNA1. See, KNA1. Where we have given this KNA1, Nana? In our program tables KNA1. We have to declare that, guys. We have to declare that. If you declare that only, we can use it here. After writing KNA1, click on get from dictionary. Click on this tab as get from dictionary. See, click on this. Now you will get all the fields from KNA1, guys. You will get all the fields from KNA1. Now you select this KNA1. What are the fields you want? Kunnar, I want name, I want city and postal code, region. I want all these fields, guys. I am selecting what and all fields I want. I'm selecting what and all fields I want. After selection, click on enter, Nana. Click on enter. See, where are my fields? My fields are on my mouse, guys. My fields are on my mouse. You just to find some good place and click on enter, Nana. Click on enter. Click on enter. Can anyone say me from where we are getting these descriptions, Nana? Can anyone say me from where we are getting these descriptions?
Anyone?
Excellent. This description we are getting from data element, Nana. These descriptions we are getting from data element. Hope everyone is clear with this. See, this is my first requirement. Now, what I told, Nana, see, this is my field layouts. See, this is my field layouts. Now I want to add 3 push buttons. Okay. Now where I will add these 3 push buttons? See, this is the push button, Nana. See, click on that. See, let me show you guys. Just one click on the push button. Just one click. It will be on your mouse, guys. If you click no, it will be on your mouse. Put somewhere in your screen and drag and drop, guys. Left click, drag and drop. This is your push button, Nana. Double click on this push button. Double click on this push button. Give the name as clear. Yeah, clear. Give the name as clear, Nana. CLEAR, clear. Okay, here we have one more thing, guys. FCT code. Here we have FCT code, Nana. FCT code. You have to give one code. You have to give one code in the capital letters, Nana. What is the use of this FCT code is system will know on which button you have clicked on. How system will identify? Based on this code, Nana. Based on this code. Here I will write like this, clear, CLEAR. If my FCT code is clear, means I am clicking on clear. Close this one. Now second one, click on this button again, drag and drop. This one I will mark it as fetch. Fetch. But my FCT code I will write like this, FET. FET guys, FET. I'm using as FET. Fetch. My code is, if you want, you can drag guys. You can drag it to the middle. The adjustment now. Now click on the third one. What I need to give here, Nana? Exit. Exit. Here also I am writing exit. 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 See, these codes are very important, Nana. These FCT codes, whatever the codes you are mentioning here, no, these are very important. These are very important. Now after giving all this, now click on this flow logic again, guys. Go back from layout. You have to go to flow logic. See, this is your flow logic now. Okay, this is your flow logic. Activate. Now you see me guys. Now the same demo. If I click on, see, now I have created like this. If I click on this clear button, what will happen, Nana? What will happen? Which event will get triggered? PA of 500. So see, I am going to PAI, guys. I am going to PAI. Everyone is clear? If I click on clear, fetch and exit, which event will get triggered, Nana? Which event will get triggered? PAI. Okay. So under PAI, double click on this module, guys. Double click on this module. Here I am writing the logic. You have to understand why and where you are writing logic. I understood, because after clicking on my button, after clicking on any one of the button, my PAI event will get triggered. Here I am writing case SciUcom, guys. SciUcom is a system field. Nana. It will give you that FCT codes. SciUcom is a system field. This one is a system field. System field. It will return your codes, Nana. Your codes. Clear, fetch, exit. See, now give in the capitals. If it is clear, and we have three buttons now. What is the second one? FET. I have given as fetch as FET. And exit, what I have given, Nana? Exit. This is the logic we are going to differentiate now. Whenever I click on exit, I want like this, leave to screen 0. If I click on clear, Nana, I am writing clear KNA1. If I click on fetch, see, select all the fields. Kunnar, name one, means because I'm using all table, right? You can put star from KNA1. Anyhow, it's a table memory. KNA1 memory. No into, guys, where Kunnar is equals to KNA1 of Kunnar. That's it. Your program is completed, guys. See, if I click on clear, I should clear my data. If I click on this KNA1, if I give some value and click on this KNA1, then automatically this select statement should come. If I click on exit, if I click on this exit button, my this leave to screen 0 should happen. Now let me activate this code. Okay, end case. Select a single, no, because select a single. Okay, select a single, because we want only one record, no? Select a single. Okay, now activate this, go back. See, activate everything, guys. Go back. Now what is the third step, Nana? What is the third step? What is the step number 3? What is step number 3? Yeah, go to SC93, guys. Go to SC93. SC93. You see the beauty, guys. See, give some T code. My Give some T code, guys. Give MPP screen. MPP1. First my MPP1, guys. Give a Y MPP1. Click on create. Click on create. See my first MPP screen. Click on this one, guys. Dialog train report, object oriented. We have so many, guys. We have this many events. But I'm selecting now. I'm creating a T code for my this one module pool dialog programming. So I'm selecting the first trade button. If you want to create a event for T code for a report, you have to select the second one, guys. So name Nana, whatever the program name you have given, this is the program. Save. Now you copy this. Your module pool will come, guys. See, this is your module pool screen. This is your first screen, Nana. See, if I click on exit, how it is coming, Nana? See, here I will give some value. Here I will give some value like this. Here I will give. Here I am giving value. Let me click on this. Click on fetch. See, all the details. All the details I am getting, Nana. If I click on clear, see, if I click on clear, all the details are getting vanished. See, if I some other details, see. Click on fetch. See this one. If I click on clear, what is happening? The data is getting vanished. The data is getting vanished. Now, my requirement is, guys, see, all these fields, Nana, all these fields want to be in the display mode. Only this field, only this particular field want to be in edit mode, guys. See, this field should not change. See, I can tamper the data, right? There is a chance. See, I can show it. See, if I click on fetch, I can say first person. I can change the data. See, I'm able to change the data. I'll say Mahesh. I'll say Bangalore. I will say pin code as 666 something. Okay, such term is something like this. Now I can take this screenshot. And I can send to my manager. See, this is the I can alter my data. Correct? I can alter my data. So this is not a good way, guys. This is not a good way. So what I want to do is I want to make this fields as a display mode. So what you will do, guys, if I want to make that fields in the display mode, you already know what you will do. What you will do, Nana?
Sir, we did it in TMG like that.
Yeah, excellent. We already did in TMG. Go to layout. See, go to layout. Select the name field, guys. Double click on the name field. Double click on the name field. See here. In the program, you remove this input. Remove this input. Oh, okay. Input field. Double click on the city. Double click on the city. Remove this input. Double click on the city. Sorry, double click on the postal code. Select this program. Under this program tab, remove this. Select this search term. Remove this. Now you cancel all this. Now go to flow logic. Go to flow logic. Activate. Activate. Now rerun your T code again, guys. Now rerun your T code. Now you rerun this T code again. You rerun this T code again. See, now can you alter this data? Now can you alter this data, Nana? See, if you click on this one, see, but still I can alter the data, guys. But still I can alter the data. How I can alter the data? See, I can change this number. Correct? I can change this data. Now I can take this screenshot. Now my second requirement is if this field is filled. If there is when there is no data, when there is no data here, I want to make this field as editable mode. Excuse me, guys. I want to make this field as a editable mode. If there is already some data is there, if some data, see, when there is data, when there is a data, this field also want to go in a display mode. This field also want to go in a display mode. See, if I click on clear, there is no data here. So it has to allow me for editable mode. See guys, my second requirement is, see here there is no data. In customer there is no data. When there is no data, my customer field should be editable mode. It should allow me to enter. If there is some data here, if I click on fetch, see if I give fetch here, if I click on this fetch, then this field also should go in editable mode. Sorry, non-readable mode. If I click on clear, see now it has to editable mode. Now where I need to write this logic, guys? Where I need to write this logic? Anyone? Where I need to write? This is screen, Nana. This is screen. Where I need to write the logic?
You go to the flow logic, and on the customer field, you give input plus display only. PBO side.
Yes, inside the PBO, we need to write the logic. What logic we need to write, Nana? See, I need to check. First one is if KNA1 minus Kunnar is not initial. Means if there is data. It's not initial means what, Nana? Not initial
enter.
means what? If there is some data. If there is some data, then what I need to write? See, I need to write like this. Loop at screen. Loop at screen, end loop. We need to write loop at screen, end loop. Now what we have to write is, we need to check if screen name is equals to KNA1 of Kunnar. End if. See, I am looping the screen, Nana. Loop at screen, end loop. If screen name is equals to, whenever the screen name is equals to KNA1 Kunnar, then I want to make screen input is equals to 0. Screen input is equals to 0. I want to make screen input is equals to 0. Then after this I want to say modify screen, Nana. Modify screen. I want to modify screen. First, let me show you the output. Later I will explain you guys. See, I am activating this program. Go back, activate activate this. Now you rerun this program, Nana. Go to exit. Now you rerun your T code. See, now when there is no data, it is allowing me guys. Give some data, click on fetch. See, when the data is filled, this record is also going on display mode. If I click on clear, see, it is allowing me to add the data, guys. Clear, everyone? First you are clear with the requirement. Later we will think about logic later. Are we clear about the requirement? If I am giving, now can we alter this data, guys? Is there any chance to alter this data?
No.
Like this. See, if I click on clear, it will do like this. See how we have written this one is, go to this layout, Nana. Double click on this Kunnar. Nana. Here we have name, Nana. Copy this name. Go to flow logic. We know why we are writing in the PBO. We know why we are writing in the PBO. Double click on this PBO. See here, whenever KNA1 Kunnar is not initial, means what is the meaning of that, Nana? What is the meaning of this? If KNA1 Kunnar is having some value, what is the meaning of this, Nana? When KNA1 Kunnar is having the value, then this logic has to get executed. This logic has to get executed when there is a value in this. Now, when there is a value in this, I am looping my screen. When this has to get executed, whenever my screen name is equals to KNA1, I want to make my input is equals to 0, guys. My input is equals to 0 inside this. Then I want to modify my screen, guys. Anyone, any doubts here, Nana? See, this screen has so many. This screen is a structure, guys. Screen is nothing but a structure. This screen will have so many fields, Nana. See, we have input, output, intensified, invisible, okay, length, active, okay, we have value request. See, this many fields we have, guys. Name, we have name required. See, if required means what, Nana? Required means mandatory. Output. See, output means we can disable the output also. You can disable the output. See, output is equals to 0. Let me activate this. Let me run this one. Let me show you this one. Exit. Let me give. See output. If I am giving some value, click on enter. See output, guys. See output is not taking, guys. See, you understood what I am doing? See, it is not taking output. See, if I click on this one, output is not taking. Why? Because this is 0. If I give 1 here, if I give, it's always binary on either 1 or 0. Now you try. Now you exit. See, whenever you are doing any code change, always refresh your code, guys. Always refresh your code. See, now it is allowing you, guys. Now it is allowing you. Like this. Clear, everyone? Can you practice this example, guys? Can you all practice this example? Hello? Easy, difficult, or tough? Okay. Fine, guys. I'll break class for today. In Monday, no, I will give extension for this, guys. I'll give extension. We have used the structure, no. Then we will use the work areas, and that part we will discuss more in module 4. Okay. Fine, guys. I'll break class for today. We'll meet on Monday, guys. We will meet on Monday on module 4. But Saturday and Sunday we have extra classes, guys. We have some special classes. Everyone has to join. Please try to join, guys. It's very, 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 very important. Okay.
What time, Agrimesh?
Yeah.
What time?